If you have trouble sleeping, you need to try HoMedics Sound Spa. I'm honestly shocked because Sound Spa blocks out all of the noise.
It was able to block out all the sound and allowed me to fall asleep a lot faster.
It's also super portable,
so I could actually put it in any room that I want. I love my new Sound Spa from HoMedics because it allows me to fall asleep faster and then I wake up ready to conquer my day.
HoMedics White Noise Sound Machine. Portable sleep therapy for home, office, baby and travel. 6 relaxing and soothing nature sounds, battery or adapter charging options, auto-off timer. Color Gold Brand HoMedics Item Dimensions LXWXH 9.88 by 2.25 x 7.25 inches. About this item: 6 soothing sounds. Choose from 6 digitally recorded relaxing nature sounds: white noise, thunder, ocean, rain, summer night, and brook. The Sound Spa's sounds are designed to mimic the natural environment in order to provide the most relaxing experience possible. Compact and portable for travel. Don't worry about not sleeping while you travel. The HoMedics Sleep Sound Machine is small, lightweight, and portable. It easily fits into your purse, bag, or luggage, making it easy to bring your sleep sounds with you wherever you go. Helps your baby sleep. Add the Sound Spa's rhythmic nature noises to your baby's sleep routine to help them fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. The stylish gold color looks great in any room, including your child's nursery. The soothing sounds of nature will help lull your baby to sleep, whether it's nap time or nighttime. A sleeping baby means more sleep for the whole family. Auto-off timer. The HoMedics Sound Machine's therapeutic sounds can be used for relaxation, sleep, work, travel, study, meditation, and more. You can choose to play the relaxation sounds continuously, or choose from the 3 auto-off timer options. The timer features 15, 30, or 60-minute sessions. It can be plugged into a wall outlet with the adapter included, or powered by 4 AA batteries not included. What's included? 1 HoMedics Sound Spa White Noise Sleep Machine in a dark gold color. 1 wall outlet adapter. 30-day money-back guarantee. Note: products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the U.S. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel, and please press the bell icon for more updates.